Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a DevOps engineer or preparing for the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Professional-DOP-C02 exam, this video is a must-watch. Today, we're diving deep into AWS Networking Essentials, covering everything from VPC design to security, load balancing, hybrid networking, and best practices. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to design a robust and scalable database network, just like a pro. So, let's get started. First things first, Virtual Private Cloud, or VPC. It's the backbone of AWS networking. Your goal? To create a secure, isolated, and scalable environment for your resources. Here's how to do it, step by step. Subnet design. Divide your VPC into public and private subnets across multiple availability zones for high availability. Routing traffic. Public subnets connect to an Internet Gateway, IGW, for Internet access, while private subnets use a NAT gateway for outbound traffic. CIDR blocks. Assign a CIDR block like 10.0.0.0/16 and expand with secondary CIDR blocks or VPC peering as needed. Automation. Use AWS CloudFormation or Terraform to create VPCs efficiently. Next up, security. Your manager has tasked you with securing the network, and here's how you do it. Security groups. These act as virtual firewalls at the instance level. Allow only necessary traffic like HTTPS on port 443. Network ACLs, NACLs, set rules at the subnet level to control inbound and outbound traffic. VPC flow logs. Enable these to monitor and troubleshoot network activity for security and compliance. Now, let's balance the load. Your firm wants a scalable and fault-tolerant architecture. Here's what you need to do. Use Amazon Route 53 for domain registration and intelligent routing. Deploy Elastic Load Balancers, ELBs. Application Load Balancer, ALB, for HTTP/HTTPS traffic. Network Load Balancer, NLB, for high-performance TCP/UDP traffic. Gateway Load Balancer, GWLB, for integrating third-party security appliances. Configure auto-scaling groups for better load distribution. Your firm is expanding, and now it's time to connect multiple branches and monitor performance. Here's how. Use AWS Direct Connect with a virtual private gateway or transit gateway for low-latency hybrid connectivity. Implement VPC peering for direct connections between VPCs or switch to transit gateway for complex networks. Use Amazon CloudWatch to monitor VPC metrics and set alarms. Optimize costs with VPC endpoints for services like S3 and DynamoDB. Before we wrap up, here are some best practices you must follow. High availability. Use multiple availability zones and load balancers. Performance monitoring. Track metrics with AWS CloudWatch and optimize network configurations. Security. Regularly audit security groups, NACLs, and use IAM policies to enforce least privilege access. And that's a wrap. You've now got the essential AWS networking knowledge to design a robust cloud network and ace the AWS Certified DevOps Engineer Professional exam. If you want to practice more for the exam, check out Study for Exam practice questions. They'll help you strengthen your preparation and test your skills in real exam scenarios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AWS and DevOps content, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and stay secure in the cloud.